With my apron tight and knives in hand, I'll make the finest dishes in the land.
Turning heads with my culinary skill, but bones and flesh they start to spill. A master chef or zombie freak, the patrons start to squirm and squeak.
In my kitchen, dreams come true. With pots and pans, I'll cook for you. Unseen flesh that tastes supreme, until they scream at my decay.
I see you, chef, with rotten grin. Have you seen the stage you're in? Your flavors thrill, but your touch chills. Are those your fingers or dead quills? Spiced and swirling, pans whirling. But can they see past its curse unfurling?
I'm a chef at heart, but my limbs
Fall apart.
they can't taste the dreams you eat.
When they're too scared to believe.
But in the flames of my dark cuisine, a dream to be more than what I've been. They'll taste a world they've never known, even if my secrets blow.
Blades dance like ghosts in the night. Ingredients mixed, they feel just right.
Blades dance like ghosts in the night.
Ingredients mixed, they feel just right.
But alas, the secret can't stay sealed.
The rotten truth has been revealed. Chef, what shadows your sauces and spells haunt the diners, ring dark dinner bells. But what is taste if not a thrill? My love for food can't just be killed. Though I decay, my passion stays in every dish my soul conveys. Oh chef, your passion's burning bright. In every bite they feel the fright.
But in the flavors, stories old, a tale untold.
Now loud and bold.
They can't deny the taste divine. Those shadows linger and souls entwine.
With every dish my heart imparts. Though decay tears me apart. In the kitchen's heat, where tales unfold, a zombie chef, a story bold, for flavors deep, yet secrets dark. A culinary spook leaves a mark.